travels on these streets. They say you have a lot of game, Jack. They say you got these bitches turning all sorts of gymnastics for you. But all along I'm hearing this. I'm wondering why they ain't turning no tricks for you and bring you no real bread.
What's happening, y'all? Y'all see, we out here dealing with these two-doors. I got old Miley out here today. Miley out here. Got to get some work done on her. She got a little bit on top of her head. This one I'm going to bring to the channel. I got like 3 of these. This is my 3rd one I'm going to work on. I got the short bus. I got Miss Daisy and this Miley. We're gonna bring it to you. I'm gonna get her wrapped. I'm gonna get her wrapped. Get her cleaned up. Get the interior redone on her. She's pretty. She's real pretty. Her name is Miley. She got a little rust on her. She's still cute though. You know what I mean? Yeah, we call her Miley. But I got so many of these joints. That's why I call myself the two-door pimp. She clean. She clean. She clean. Trust me. I'm gonna look and tell you on the inside of it. You know what I'm saying? Put a little work. Got some new seats for her. Throw the seats in there. I got a new one coming in here going. It ain't stolen. It still got a key on there. It ain't stolen. Just broken. Yeah, we're gonna put it back together. This is a 2-wheel drive with a 6-lug conversion. 2-wheel drive with a 6-lug conversion. You know what I'm saying? That's the newer joints. Brand new brakes, brand new all that. Sitting on 4. Somebody's gonna come up. 14 bolt rear end. You see it. It says low down in the bottom. And then you got smoke. That's smoke right there. 2-door number 2. That's a 99 right there. She wouldn't get no food. Now they fixed it where she gets some food. She gonna run like a raped ape right now. Yeah. Smoking Miley, we be back. It's cold out here today, y'all. But it ain't too cold to work on a 2 though. Rizzo out here with smoke. Brother June, they got tools there, motherfucking where the neighbors complaining. Got it all going on right now. But that's what happens when you got that two-door blues. Just gotta do what you gotta do. You know? You looking at this piece here, dude.
Broke down, broke. Sit up there. The motherfucker broke. I just took that one off that one.
So is it a hole in the top?
Yeah. Well, I used the one
No,
off
he
this.
put the old one.
Oh, okay.
I used the one off this one on the new one.
Okay.
So that one popped off the new one.
Oh, that shit broke off. Well, look at all that shit.
That was
you did have that old funny style one in there with the plastic. See, mine didn't have that funny style shit in there.
Yes, sir.
With that hard plastic on the bottom. I didn't have the one with mine didn't have that. Mine was wide open.
With this?
That's the 4-door one. So that must be, this right here. With that casing, yeah. Mine didn't have casings like that.
This new one got that.
Yeah.
This new one got it.
Mine was wide open. Might be them newer ones. I know mine didn't have that.
This new pump got
Even my 95 didn't have that. Cause a lot of the 4-doors have those. What y'all think? Y'all got that inside of y'all's? When y'all's wide open the assembly, and when you get in there and get to the actual pump. I got a few pumps. So if the pump go bad, not the assembly, it needed a new assembly anyway.
Yeah. Well, this wasn't broke. That wasn't broke. I broke that.
I can tell. It was hard getting it off?
Yeah, because, you know, them pieces that you get up in there, neither one of them will get around it.
Right.
And I was talking about cutting it.
So the new one metal?
No.
Is it plastic?
All this shit plastic.
Yeah, 'cause mine came back metal.
Everything on this motherfucker plastic. And
springs on it.
Yeah.
So it'll adjust to the size. That's what it is.
I ain't break this.
Is there a part number on there?
Probably up here somewhere. Probably have to clean it off.
Hey, so when y'all get to do y'all's, what do y'all usually use? What brand do you use for your fuel pumps? Leave it in the comments down there. Leave it in the comments down. Leave it down in the comments what brand y'all like to use, or what's your favorite shop that y'all go to get y'all stuff at? You know what I'm saying? We always try to share the information and things like that. So just let me know. You know what I'm saying? But this right here is nice. He got a nice little two-door sitting up here. Got a few things that got to get done. But you know, when you bring them back, you bring them back.
Yeah, they ain't out here on the ground.
There ain't nothing on the ground.
About 2 more.
What are they for?
My license plate. Should be no more than $1.
Nah, I should be that much. You got some zip ties. See, everybody can go out and buy a brand new car. I can't say everybody, but to bring back these old joints like what we be doing, that's what it takes. You gotta be able to bring this back. I love these joints. That's what you gotta understand. I love these joints. You know, even though I got newer vehicles, I still love my two doors. Oh, so her lights is on. Can't be killing her battery. What's going on with that? Can't be killing her battery. She might not want to start on me. Yeah, that's my daytime drive. My daytime ride. She need a little work. You know what I mean? Picked her up from from Indiana. For a song and a dance. Got a couple of little problems down there in the bottom, but ain't nothing I can't handle. Come with a new door. I can put a new door on it. And all I gotta do is fix this part down here. Fix all up under there. You know, just put a new door on. Fix this little piece right here on both sides. Other than that, she's pretty good, especially for a two-wheel drive. I mean, all those stuff, everything is pretty much still there. All the trimming. I gotta get a new dash right there. So my dash is smashed. Yeah. But I can throw a cover on right now. I ain't really did nothing to her. I've been just driving and I parked her. I really ain't did nothing to her since I had it. It's been driving her, hoping that she didn't break down. But, you know, she made it back from Indiana to Minnesota with no problem. So I was kind of worried at first what she was gonna make a problem. She got like a little dent down there, but I can get new doors, put new doors on. I can get that cut out and get that cleaned up. You know what I'm saying? Clean that little piece up. But other than that, she's a solid truck. She's a solid truck. Can't be mad at it. You know? You'll see her out there and around. We coming. It's getting warm.